Does it say anything?
Orientation is locked.
Come sit back quickly. Say hi, we're live. Explain what's happening.
Hey guys, we're live. We have our little Papa Budgie feeding his kids. Look at him, so adorable. He rapid eats. Look, quickly, in the blink of an eye. And look at the cute little baby. He's just in the corner.
Dad is rapid eating. They are looking at their dad.
Yeah. And now Stuart's about to feed his kids.
No? Like it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's so
Look, they're cleaning each other. They're looking at their dad.
Because they love their papa.
See, they don't know yet solid. About 30 days they know.
Yeah.
They're not even trying because they know papa here. That's beautiful, papa.